Hi guys, it's me Natalie, and today I'm going to show you which slime is better. So first we have up my stepsister slime, which I don't want to take out this because I already tried to do a video with this and it was awful. Because I even had to wash my hands. As you could tell, it's horrible. Watch, I just put my finger in there. And then the whole thing comes out with my finger. I hate it. But that's just slime. I had to wash my hands and it didn't work. Now I'm going to show you my slime, which is good actually. Let's see if hers makes a slime. So I don't want to open the container, but I have a little bit here, so I'm gonna get a little bit. I don't know. Well, guys, comment down below which slime you like better and subscribe and like this video in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.